Today, I am going to be signing the contract with the contractors to commence work on the rehabilitation of your road here in Chambers Pen at a cost of over $89 million. I'm going to turn on the water because when we are finished, we are going to guarantee water. And for those persons who have not yet been connected, I am instructing Rural Water to continue the survey to add those persons who are willing to come on to the system to get that precious commodity inside of your house for the first time at last.
We laid approximately 4 kilometers of pipeline in Chambers Pen, and we actually installed service connections. One of the safeguards to the system that we did, we actually gave each household a 400-gallon tank. What this does is, if the Water Commission supply even come to Chambers Pen even 1 or 2 days a week, the tank will serve for 4 or 5 days.
And I'm saying to Audley Thompson, if there is 200 more residents that don't get black tank, give them the 200 black tank that is required, so that everybody in Chambers Pen can have a black tank, so you can store the water.
Chambers Pen is looking good. So today I want to tell you, thank you for your patience. Thank you for your continued patience, because the works are not yet complete, but you now know that it will be completed, right? Yes.
The Ministry of Education have spent over some $20 million to undertake the renovation of the school. It is not fully completed yet because we're working on the cottage, the residents, and we are going to be concluding work on the canteen and then the Ministry of Local Government, because since this is a shelter during the hurricane season, we'll be putting in some walkways so that whenever it rains, people can access from one section of the building, and we're also going to be putting in a retaining wall. So overall, it is expected that more than some $35 million will be spent overall on the upgrading of this institution.
I would like to express how grateful we are for this initiative. You know, it looks like a school, it feels like a school, and we're operating more as a school. Students are feeling much more comfortable, persons are working harder. I can see greater improvement even in the attendance and the enrollment.
I can say I'm proud to stand here to see the transformation of the school. The environment is well up to standard.
The Rural Water is here, and they are going to now include the school as a part of their water harvesting program to improve the water condition of the school. We are committed to work with the principal, with the member of parliament, with the councillors and the community to ensure that there's a foundation for education.
Water!